Hello friends, if you want a more private Instagram experience, you can easily turn off like counts. Hiding likes helps you focus more on the content you enjoy instead of how many likes a post receives. Instagram gives you two options. You can hide the like count on a specific post you've shared, or hide like and share counts across your Instagram feed. Here's how to do both. Method 1. Hide likes on a specific post. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone and signing in if needed. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile page. Scroll through your posts and open the one where you want to hide the like count. Next, tap the three dot or menu in the upper right corner of the post. A menu with several options will appear. Look for Hide Like Count and tap it. As soon as you select this option, the total number of likes on that post will no longer be visible to other Instagram users. If you've already hidden the likes on that post, the option will instead say Unhide Like Count. Selecting that option will make the like count visible again. This method only affects the individual post you choose, so you'll need to repeat these steps for any other post where you want to hide the like count. Method 2. Hide like and share counts across Instagram. If you prefer not to see like and share counts while browsing Instagram, you can change the setting for your account. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. In the settings page, use the search bar and type like and share counts. Tap like and share counts when it appears in the search results. You'll see a toggle labeled Hide Like and Share Counts. Turn this toggle on to hide like and share counts according to your account settings. After enabling this option, Instagram will reduce the visibility of these engagement numbers, helping create a less distracting browsing experience. If your Instagram account is connected to Threads, this preference will also apply there. Success! Your Instagram is now set the way you want it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.